Do you know that you don't have to use expensive Arborio rice to make risotto? I don't usually have it on hand. I usually have good old Jasmine rice in my pantry, that pantry right back there, and we're going to make a gorgeous mushroom and pea risotto. Fabulous mushrooms, beautiful green peas for that pop of sweetness and color. It's going to come together in less than 30 minutes. You're going to love it. Let's get started. To your skillet, just add some olive oil and then your mushrooms. I'm using shiitake mushrooms, but you can use whatever you want and whatever is available to you. Add in the rice, a little bit more olive oil, salt and pepper, give it a stir, a couple cloves of garlic, and then I'm going to add in some white wine. You can use stock if you want to, and then slowly add in some stock, chicken, vegetable, whatever you want. And as it begins to thicken, you can add Parmesan if you want to, and then add in your peas and a knob of butter. And when it's thick enough and oozy, you just serve it with a sprinkling of parsley. It's so good.